Hi everyone! This video will show you how to use the enclosed volume calculation feature. Select a point cloud to measure its enclosed volume. Click the Edit tab and select Triangulation. In the pop-up window, select Surface Triangular Mesh. Enter a value for the sampling interval. The smaller the value, the higher the modeling accuracy, but the longer it takes. First, set the value to 0.1 and click OK. Then, you can see the generated model under the Model tab. Here, check the model only. The effect looks quite smooth. Next, set the value to 0.9 and click OK. The effect is relatively rough. After generating the model, you can fill the holes by clicking Fill Holes. In the pop-up menu, the default max length is 0, meaning all holes will be filled. Click OK to finish the setting. Click Enclose Volume to pop up the measurement results. This is our introduction to the enclosed volume calculation feature. See you next time.